Hello, kids. Today we'll be preparing food from this food truck. This food truck has food but also drinks. And we'll see which drinks we'll prepare for our two customers. Here are our two customers, and they're very hungry. The little boy wants a bubble tea. Let's prepare it right away for him. It says bubble tea. The bubble tea is ready, and that's our little boy's drink. The girl wants a lemon soda. Let's prepare it. There, it says lemon soda. The soda is ready, and that's the girl's drink. There's also grapefruit juice and cola. And now our two customers will choose which burger they want, and there are different kinds. Our first customer wants a beef burger. So let's get the bun and let's put it on the plate. And now we'll get the meat. We need a beef patty. We have beef patties here. We need to cut them in slices. And here's our beef patty. And we'll put it on the bun. And now we're going to put a little bit of salt and a bit of black pepper. Next, we have to pick our cheese. Our customer wants American cheese. So let's cut one slice. And let's add it to our burger. And now let's add a couple of vegetables. First, we need some lettuce. Let's see which one. Let's use this one. And then we need a slice of tomato. Here's our slice. Let's add the tomato to our burger. And last but not least, let's add some ketchup and some mustard. And the first burger is ready. And that's what ordered our first customer. He wants a beef burger. And now, let's put it on the tray. Let's add his drink, a bubble tea. Let's also add a napkin. And our customer is ready to eat. Now let's take care of our second customer. Here's the bun. She doesn't want any meat, she wants some fish. Here's our fish. We need to cut one slice. Now let's put it on the bun. Let's add some lettuce. We have some here. And let's also add 2 slices of tomato. Let's put some salt and some black pepper. And her fish burger is ready. Let's not forget her drink, a lemon soda. And this is the meal that our second customer ordered. It's time to pay. The first meal cost a bill of 20 and 2 coins. Let's put the bill here and the 2 coins over here. The fish burger cost a bill of 10 and 5 coins. Let's put the bill of 10 with the bills. And we have all these coins. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Our customers are going to enjoy their meal. Thanks for watching and see you next time.